So, I guess it's happening. I guess it's happening. We're getting a Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. So here is the record database that got leaked today. As of 12/27/2024, this is one of the products that will be coming out next year. Manufacturer Samsung Korea. Market name Galaxy Z Flip XE. Brand Samsung, model name blank, right? It doesn't say FE, it says XE, but the idea is that's FE for Fan Edition. Which, you don't know what a Fan Edition of a phone is, it's pretty much a cheaper variant of a flagship phone. They put it into a cheaper build, a cheaper model, and then they give you all the best things that the fans love from that said flagship device. So, like, for example, you might give the processor unit, but say, hey, listen, we're going to give you a plastic chassis. Hey, you want the camera system? Okay, but then we're going to take away this, right? So it's like you give and take. That's pretty much what it is when it comes to that. So it's exciting. It's exciting because this is probably going to be like $500. And it's going to compete very well with Motorola. And I'm still kind of on the fence whether or not Samsung's going to eventually just full-on commit to just rocking and rolling with flippable phones, not foldable phones. I guess we'll have to wait and see, but that's a cool fact. Also got leaked out was the fact that there's a Galaxy Watch 8 Classic also got leaked as well. So, two really cool things to find out before this year ends is that we're going to get a Z Flip Fan Edition, and that's going to spark out this next journey of Samsung of creating Fan Edition phones. Now, we're not getting a Fan Edition officially 100% of the Z Fold series, and I don't think we're ever going to get a Fan Edition of the Z Fold series. We will get a Z Flip, but not the Z Fold. Fold is, they want to keep that expensive, they want to keep that premium, they want to keep that top tier. But with Motorola, playing ball with the idea of making flippable phones very cheap, Samsung is just getting on board. They're just playing along with the whole situation here and trying to see what they can do as well. So, it is what it is. It's awesome, though, because it's better for the consumer, and anything better for the consumer is always better overall-wise for everyone. The consumer's happy, they spend more money, company makes more money, company improves product gets better, industry gets better, everyone's happy in the end. So, shout out to Samsung, shout out to smartpricks.com, and also notebookcheck.net for posting these articles. Leave a link down below in the description to both of them if you'd like to check them out. Make sure you check them out. The artist being, okay, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm going to try to butcher that person's name. Do we have a better one here? Ricky Rocks. Okay, Rissy Rocks. I'm going to go with that one. Peace out, guys.